They say your phone is 10 times dirtier than the toilet seat. When was the last time you actually sanitized your phone? I don't even remember if I ever did. What's up guys, welcome to my channel. This is Gupta. We are actually gonna sanitize and disinfect your tech devices like keyboard, your screen monitors and even cell phones in this video. So let's get started. So this is the setup I have. As you can see, I have my laptop which has a dirty keyboard and a dirty monitor, dirty screen, and a phone that I actually never sanitized. So we're gonna sanitize and disinfect our tech devices in this video. And for that, we're gonna use three products. One is a lint-free microfiber towel. Second is a isopropyl rubbing alcohol. I'm using 91%. You should use anything over 70%, so that should be good. And the third product is a disinfecting wipe. I'm using Clorox brand, but you can use any brand that you like. I do not sponsor any brand. Okay, so in order to clean your keyboard, you should have like a hand vacuum or something like that, a keyboard vacuum. I do not have it handy, so I'm just gonna like shake it a little just to get some debris out of the key spaces. And after that, I'm gonna use the disinfecting wipe. Make sure it doesn't have like a lot of liquid inside, because it can actually go inside the key spaces. Just squeeze it inside, because a lot of liquid can actually destroy your keyboard. So I'm just gonna squeeze it inside, and it only has foam now. Okay, and I'm gonna quickly go over the keyboard like that, very gently, very slowly. In vertical as well as horizontal direction, so that you actually go inside all that area. And that is it. Once you have done that, keep it aside. Use your microfiber towel to wipe it off. There you go. That's your beautiful sanitized and disinfected keyboard. Now for the part 2, we are actually gonna sanitize our monitor. So do not use disinfecting wipes in this case, because this will actually damage your screen. Your screen is not made of plastic. It's a very delicate material. It's not made of glass, so disinfecting wipes is not a good idea. So we're gonna keep it aside. And now we're gonna make use of the isopropyl rubbing alcohol, because it's actually like 91% alcohol and only 9% water. So it is actually very safe to use on your monitors. So what you're gonna do, the process is simple. Just take a clean side of your microfiber towel. Get some alcohol out of the bottle. That's it. That should be fine. And go over the screen like that. Again, you can go all the directions so that you do not miss any space. That's it. And quickly, with the dry side, just wipe off the residue. The lint-free towel is actually important, because if your towel is not lint-free, while wiping it off, you will actually gonna get some lint on your screen. So you can see my screen is actually crystal clear now. And this is how you can actually sanitize your keyboard and your monitor. In case you don't have the isopropyl alcohol with you, there are some like alcohol wipes that you can those are available on Amazon. You can use those also on your monitor. I'm gonna place a link in the description if you want to use those alcohol wipes, if you don't have access to the rubbing alcohol directly like that. So in the part 3 of the video, I'm gonna clean and disinfect my phone, which actually I never did, and I should have at least done that weekly. This is actually a little trickier than the first two parts. So make sure your phone is actually unplugged, and take off all the accessories like your cover, or if you have like a battery pack, just take it off. It should not be connected to anything. And now we're gonna make use of the isopropyl alcohol or the alcohol wipes, which I mentioned in the second part of the video. Do not use those disinfectant wipes like Clorox. Those are actually not good for your phone. It's actually published by Google, by Apple, by Samsung that you should not use any of the disinfectant wipes like Clorox. And you should also not use any compressed air to actually blow in your ports, because that you might actually destroy the like rubber seals or something inside. Even if your phone is like water resistant, which my phone is, do not dip your phone in cleaning agents like soap, water or something. Do not do that. Do not use bleaches. Those are actually the guidelines which are published by Google, by Apple, by Samsung. Just stick to cleaning your phone with isopropyl alcohol, 70% or higher. Again, the process is the same now. Just take the microfiber towel, use a dry side, get some alcohol on the towel. That's it. This should be more than enough. You don't need to keep wiping your phone again and again. Just a simple wipe, a gentle wipe like that is actually enough. Do it on the back side, on the corners, on the sides, on the bottom, on every side of your phone. That is it. And once you have done that, again wipe your phone with the dry side of the towel like that, just gently and easily. That is it. You don't need to keep wiping your phone. You don't want to get some scratches and all. A gentle wipe once or twice is actually more than okay. You can repeat the process on your phone case. This is a very sturdy case, so it's not gonna affect the case, and that is it. And this is how you actually clean your phone. Remember, it is actually very important to sanitize and disinfect your phone, your tech devices at least once a week, because remember, you use your phone and those devices every day. So they have like a lot of germs and bacteria and viruses on them. And this is pretty much it from this video. I hope you liked this video and it was useful for you. And if it was, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.